Dear friends, life on the Earl's Estate Railway is far from dull. Often, foreign engines come with specials from the mainland. The Earl's engines are most curious by the visitors. Besides these trains, the engines still handle the line's goods needs, as well as the copious amounts of local specials the Earl loves to schedule. They enjoy their new lives on the railway and wouldn't want to be anywhere else. These stories will tell you all about the early days for the museum railway engines.